Brent and Irene. They're with HikMicro. Of course, they are a manufacturer of some infrared technology and cameras and that sort of thing. So, of course, I am in the space of more comfort consulting, HVAC service, and that's kind of the technicians that I'm speaking to and working on training. So, talk about what some of your products are, sort of more on the technician side, someone who's looking for qualitative, maybe not quantitative information, and how easy your products communicate with software that the technician's already going to be working with on his phone. So go ahead.
Thank you. So we're showing thermal cameras. They see differences in temperature, but when we see differences in heat, we can start to see electrical and mechanical failures before it happens. We can also start to see problems with the overall building environment. Things like air leaks, missing insulation, that really should be addressed before we start changing out equipment.
Exactly.
Or upsizing equipment where that causes its own set of issues.
Yes.
So the first thing I'll show you is our E1L camera. It's a true technician's tool designed for someone that wants to find faults, find and fix right there in the field. So
right.
It's $300.
Okay.
And you have a beautiful, highly sensitive thermal image.
Yes, it is. Yep.
See, my handprint just had a little bit of heat right there. It fits in a tool bag, the same place where an IR thermometer does.
Exactly.
Instead of a single point,
it's giving you a picture.
Yeah. I see where something is. That next step up, we start to get close to about $500.
Okay.
But these are products that are still that field technician, but now I can create greater documentation as a deliverable for the client.
Yeah.
So with one press of the button, I store a visible and a thermal image. Hold the button down and I'll record a video. So I can do a whole walkthrough of that facility or that room, point out those things, narrate it myself, and deliver an MPEG video.
That's awesome. Now,
over Wi-Fi to the customer.
Yeah, that's great.
And then this half of our lineup all has Wi-Fi. And you see here, I'm streaming live onto a phone, but I can also download the images that I've already stored, quickly get those out as a report or just a text to the rest of my team or to that client.
So for the technician that is interested in building reports off of thermography right onto your mobile device, it seems like the B20 and the Pocket 2 are kind of the two that we want to gravitate to. What is the difference? What's the obviously this is $50 difference. What do you get with the Pocket 2 that you may not get with the B20?
Yeah, the visible light camera, 8 megapixel versus 2 megapixel.
Oh.
Right? And then in addition to just storing the images, this product will store video as well as your audio overlaid on that.
So if you're building reports off of these are two of the ones that you really want to start out with, and it seems like this is the better bang for the buck, especially if you're not tied to the form factor of having the tool versus just a camera.
One other cheat code.
Okay.
There's an AHR show special.
Okay.
And I think your audience is technically attending right now, so they count.
All right, that works.
So you can go to True Tech Tools.
Yep.
Pocket 2, you can get $50 off.
Awesome.
That coupon code right there.
Oh, well that just makes it a no-brainer.
And it works for the B20 as well.
Awesome. Thank you, Brent.